Hello and welcome to Test Automation Central. In this video, we are going to discuss about ChromeDriver initialization issue. That is, when we upgrade to the latest version of ChromeDriver, that is 111, then we are facing the initialization issue. That is, it is throwing invalid status code is equals to 403, text is equals to forbidden. So to resolve this issue, there are two ways. The first one is to add the dependencies and then add a system properties, and alternate way is to add the chrome option, that is options dot add arguments and hyphen hyphen remote allow origin. So first we will try with the dependencies one. So let me add a dependencies here. Then let's add a dependency, and we will set the system path here. So let's set the system path. Now quickly run the test. So this time it will work because we have added this. Yeah, it has opened. So now we will try the other way. That is, before we do this, we will remove this pom.xml and this one dependency, and we will try with the Chrome option. So we'll copy the entire code from here. That is Chrome options, then add options, and when we need to pass to the Chrome driver. So let me copy paste the entire code and let's quickly run it. So here we have to add the import class. So as you can see, it opened a ChromeDriver without any issues. Thank you for watching Test Automation Center. Follow us for